Ashi Vashni. I've done my 12th from here. I've been here since nursery and I have seen the school evolve since the very beginning. It's not the same as it was in 2012. It has changed a lot in terms of all the facilities, all the teachers, everything. Principal sir really takes care of everything, and all the facilities that we have, we should really be grateful because when you go out to give your board examination in other schools, you have different centers, and you actually realize that what you have, you're taking it for granted because the rest of the schools, like just sitting there for 3 hours was a task. Like you're sweating badly, you're giving your examination, the table is like, the table is not stable at all, and like those 3 hours are also a kind of a struggle, and then you actually realize कि जो हमें मिल रहा है स्कूल में, जो फैसिलिटीज हमें मिल रही है, हम कितना granted लेते हैं. हम all the time, even I have done it. All our 7th, 8th, 9th, especially this phase, we're always just रोस्टिंग द टीचर्स, रोस्टिंग द स्कूल कि अरे ये खराब है, ऐसा प्रिंसिपल्स वगैरह ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए था, अरे इन टीचर ने ऐसा नहीं किया. तो हम हमेशा ऐसा करते रहते हैं, बट इवेंचुअली when you actually move out, you realize what you have, you should be grateful for it. Gratitude is the key. Gratitude is something that can make or break you. If you're not grateful for what you have, you can never go ahead in life, in my opinion. Gratitude is one of the most important things, and you should be grateful, especially for the teachers, for the whole Goenkan faculty. I think we have the most hardworking and wonderful teachers. Our principal sir, Anil sir, Deepika ma'am, all of them work so hard. It's not easy because all of us students, some of us have been here since the very beginning. तो जब हमने बाहर हम गए नहीं है तो हमें रियलाइज नहीं होता, हमें लगता है कि हाँ ये ऐसे ही होता है हर जगह, बट नहीं, ऐसे नहीं होता. We definitely have access to the best of the things. Like in case of Agra, I don't think any other school stands even near to the school in terms of all the facilities, opportunities that we have access to, especially the education as well, the whole staff, all the teachers in every single subject. They are so hardworking. They are, they're always giving you the best of the knowledge that they have. And we, especially in board examinations, uske pehle bhi the whole month we were getting so many sample papers, we were getting so many practice questions. It's not easy for the teachers to do all of this because we are students. We think हाँ teachers का काम ही होता है, वो तो रोज ही हमें पढ़ाने के लिए हमें questions देते हैं, but उनके लिए भी easy नहीं होता. तो अगर teachers इतना कर रहे हैं तो it is something that you should be grateful for, and you should try to give something back in return. And this is all I have to say. I'm very grateful for being a member of this Goenkan family throughout my school life. Thank you.